Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got X9 Studio in the building and this guy is bringing it with this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called X9 Auto and it's kind of like a hybrid watch face to me in a sense, right? A very nice looking analog watch face, and you are going to get a digital time to go along with it, which means you get the best of both worlds. We'll talk about that in a second. But look at the hour hand and the minute hand. Very nice look. I like the way the tip lights up. The video isn't going to do it justice. You got to check this out in person. Now, this is your 12-hour look that's going around the bezel so far as your numbers is concerned. Now, if you are rocking a 24-hour time so far as your format is concerned, then it's going to swing in between your 24-hour time, and in the daytime is going to turn to daytime hours, which is going to be your 12-hour time, which is beautiful. I like that. Something that's very unique, very different, but it's auto. Kind of like I'm looking for a watch face with a day and a night mode, if you get what I mean. Okay, with that being said, come down to the bottom, you get more information, and this is where the hybridness comes in at. It swings in between your step status info. That means it gives you your calories burned, your heart rate, your steps, and on the other side of it, it's going to give you a digital time, your month, your day of the week. And right here, it's going to give you a date right there. So I thought that was a good look. But this is also your battery percentage. It is in an active, so it will bring up your battery information. But if it's at 10%, it's going to flash rapidly. If it's at 20%, it's going to flash normally. If it's charging, it's still going to continue to flash and show you your information. And if it's at 100%, it's just going to show you that your meter is at 100%, which is a good look, right? So I like this. But listen, if I tap right here, because it is in the active, I can get my calorie information, steps, floors climbed. If I tap right here, I can't get my heart rate information here. Come on, I can get my step status info. And right here, people, I am going to be able to get, well, I can put my water intake in for when I'm running and exercising. Not a bad look, right? Now, if I tap on the 12, I can also set a favorite. You can do the same thing for the 2, the 4, the 8, and also the 10, people. So you get plenty of options to make this watch face super, super convenient. So at the end of the day, people, what did you think about this watch face? I thought the developer got really, really creative with the uniqueness of this watch face. I like the way it stands out. I like the fact that it is really, really different from most watch faces that you'll find in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care. And don't forget, people, it is time to get back on the Monday grind.